Okay, if you guys seen my other video when I was shooting the 22 at the fridge and I shot at the TV and the 22 shell went completely through all of that plus the pallet. Then I shot the TV and it didn't go completely through when I came out here and looked at it yesterday. Just bulged that out and the shell was still in there, mushroomed out. I guess it's because of the tempered glass, because you can tell that's not real thick. But somebody commented and wanted to see what a pistol would do, so I'm going to shoot this fridge with my 40 caliber SIG and see what it does as far as to the fridge. Then I'm going to shoot the TV and see what it does to it. Okay, I'm about 15 yards away from it. See what this thing does to it. Let's check it out. Alright, there's where it went in. It's starting to rain on me. Went through there. Went through there. Busted that out pretty good. Then it went through here. Let's see if it went out the back. Went completely out the back. And went all the way through the board. So 15 yards, it'll go completely through that. Let's see what it does to the TV, see if it'll go all the way through it and go into the refrigerator or not. Check it out. Okay, I got the TV set up. 15 yards again. Let's see what it does. Let's check it out and see if it went all the way through it. A much bigger hole than my 22. Okay, blasted through there. There's one heck of a hole. I'll get my thumb in there. See if it went any further. Went through there. Went through there. Went through that. And that. And T totally blew the back of it out. I don't think it went through the board. Don't look like it. Like it might have bounced off. So it might be somewhere on the ground. Somewhere. Yep, right here it is. So go completely through the refrigerator, even with the TV, but it wouldn't go through the pallet. And these are full metal jackets, so pretty cool. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Figure out something else to shoot and see what it'll do to it. Share and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it. Tell everybody about it. And have a good day, I guess. Heck, I don't know.